How to do competitor backlink analysis to rank number 1 on Google. Hello fellow SEO practitioners and beginners. Have you ever wondered how your competitors manage to outrank you on Google? The answer could lie in their backlinks. By examining and understanding their backlink strategy, we can devise solutions that propel us towards the coveted number 1 spot. So sit together as we deep dive into the world of competitors backlink analysis. Let's see the significance of backlinks in SEO. Understanding the basics, backlinks are the internet way of endorsing your content. They signal to search engines that your site is a valuable resource worthy of citation. Now the importance of competitor backlink analysis. Let's consider the concept of link equity or link juice. It's determined by factors such as relevancy. Does the linking page topic align with yours? Trustworthiness. Is it from a reliable source? Authority, how influence is the source, among other factors affecting its weightage for ranking purposes. So where does analyzing our competitor game plan fit into this equation? In one word, insights. Studying where they obtain their strongest links help identify potential link building opportunities for you too. Additionally, it assists uncovering strategies employed by top ranking websites, meaning now you know who exactly is your competition. So let's see how you identify your competitors, and it's important to choose your competition wisely. Just as we say, it's important to choose your fight wisely. Let's see, and we're gonna use Hrefs, and assuming we already have a list of keywords, so what we're gonna do is we can just gonna log in into Hrefs, and once we have logged in, we are going to go to the head to the section called Keyword Explorer, post all the keywords which we have there, and post all the, so here I have a sample list of keywords, post all the keywords, and then gonna just click on search. And what basically it's doing is it's basically trying to find all the keywords which are in Google, and including when this top 10 results. So this is where you see SERP, it shows me last top 10 days, it shows me when it was updated. So the top 10 results when were updated. So you can see they were updated 5 days back, some were updated 10 days back. So now all I have to ensure that the data is very latest, or if it's not very latest, at least it's latest up to a 1 or a 2 month max. And important thing, it is updated up to the last major Google update. So let's assume there were no major Google updates in last 2 months. So I'm gonna ensure that the data is updated in at least 2024. So I'm just gonna scroll down, and there are some keywords for which there is no data. So I'm gonna just press refresh, as you can see, and I'm gonna fetch these data as well. And here I see there is a data for 5th November 2023. So I'm gonna refresh those data. In few moments, Hrefs will update this data and show us the results for these keywords as well, which includes the top 10 results for this particular keywords. So here is an example how you can see for this particular keyword. So when we click on SERP, it shows the top 10 results coming, number of words, DR, number of backlinks, the traffic, and the top keywords for that particular SERP. So our objective is this data. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna now press export, and we're gonna press and say okay. The important thing, include top 10 positions. This is an important trick. You need to have this data, and you can have first 35. It's always, we are just trying to do it for 35 keywords. So whatever all the keywords, so you press on first 35 and export this data. In a few seconds it will process and open this data. Now let's open this sheet and put a filter into it. The first and foremost important filter for me is to go into the type of results. I'm going to remove anything which is not necessary, as you can see on your screen, and then I'm going to use the filter, and I'm going to go into the section for the section which is not required. So I'm gonna remove, as you see, I'm removing top ads, I'm removing site links, because basically all I'm concerned is about the organic rankings or organic results. So I have removed everything except organic thumbnail, and organic video preview. Now this is my filter number 1. So now I have removed this. Now I'm going to go and remove all, I'm gonna choose domain ratings less than 60. So why am I choosing a domain rating less than 60? So let's say you are in a car race and you have a 2000 cc engine, you cannot compete with a 5000 cc engine. So basically you need to pick your competition wisely. Any site, if you are a starter or a site which has less than 40 domain rating, I would prefer to pick only sites which have less than 60 domain rating. So here I'm gonna filter everything which is above 60. So DR 70, 80, 90. So I'm gonna filter out these sites. So of course So if my site rating is more, if let's say my site rating is 65, then I would go to 70, 75. So this is giving me the results for the sites which are lower in domain rating and are doing pretty well in search engine. That's the whole objective. So now I have removed all, and these are the keywords and these are the URLs which you can see are coming in. So now I'll see what kind of referring domains are coming to these keywords and what kind of data is coming for these keywords. So if you see, these are the keywords. So if you see these keywords which are coming, if a keyword is coming multiple times, that means there is less competition for that keyword. Keyword is coming less times, then that is a higher competitive. So now if for example here you see there are only for this keyword there are only 2 sites which are showing there and this DR is 60. So same is the case with another of this website which has only 2 search results. So this also becomes little difficult to beat. I am going to add another column called domain, and I am going to put a filter, as you can see, and I am going to apply this filter for all the keywords. I am going to sort this domain wise. So any domain which is occurring multiple times, it's supposed to be my competitor. So here I see that Jacob VIP is coming multiple times. If you see, it is coming without www and www also. So this seems to be a good competitor. But remember, this is not a fixed formula, because at times you might come across a site which is exact matching domain or an EMD. So you would not like to have that as a competition. For example, let's say if the keyword is related to Jacko Costa Rica nightclub and my website is jaccocostaricanightclub.com. So that's might not be a direct competition. So what we are going to do is avoid any EMD. So I'm just shortlisting the sites which are coming in top, and now you see, as you see that the Jacob VIP site is coming. Now I'm going to go back to the dashboard once again, and I'm going to analyze Jacob VIP. Now this is interesting. When you go to the backlinks, Hrefs apps, you don't want to do it again. So this is interesting. Once you search Jacob VIP, as you can see, I'm searching it here. So when I search for the Jacob VIP, I will directly go into the backlinks profile of this website. So here I click on backlinks on the left hand side. So it loads all the 175 backlinks. You can see the DR and the linked pages also. Important to, if a link is coming from home page, that might not be the page which we would like to compete or go after immediately. So if you see, the best link filter is also there, which is, I'm not a fan of it. You use anything which has a DR of up to 60 and you use show results. Once you put those results, you see the kind of websites are there. Then you have to go to each site one by one and you have to actually do the analysis. So and you see the links. Second, when you see the keywords for which Jacob VIP, for example, is ranking, I will go for that particular website and I'm gonna look at the keywords for which is ranking. I'm gonna take out the SERP. For example, here in this case, Jacko Costa Rica nightlife. I've taken this word out and I'm gonna say what is the DR for this particular keyword and what kind of a backlinks is coming, and most important, I'm gonna try to find any website which is of lower domain rating and is doing very well, and I'm gonna follow the same process. I'm gonna take that site out and I'm gonna do the backlink research for that particular website also. So this is basically how you start doing the analysis. Because you have put the filter, now the thing is you have to analyze the quality of these backlinks, the diversity of the backlink profile and the relevancy of the linking site to your niche. It is very, very important to understand that just because any website is linking to Jacob VIP and is being shown by Hrefs doesn't mean it's good. You have to use your common sense, I would say, that not all sites are built equal. There could be bad site also linking Href is showing. So you have to see that is that site relevancy, what kind of a content they have, how many number of outbound links they have. So you could use SEMrush, you could use Majestic also for these tools. All tools gives you one or the other data which is relevant to you. Also important is the total number of referring domains. The high number of referring domains represent broad endorsement from the web community. And very important to understand the anchor text distribution. Over optimization of keyword rich anchor text can be a red flag, while a natural varied anchor text profile is preferred. The context and the relevancy of the backlinks. Link within your industry or niche are more valuable than random links. Now let's see how we can turn this analysis into a strategy. Prioritizing link prospects. Alright, now that we are armed with all the enlightening information, how do we shift through it? Here, factor like relevancy, does it fit into my business niche, authority of linking page, domain come into play when determining which links are worth pursuing. Remember folks, not every link is worth going after. Prioritizing efficiently saves both time and resources. Developing your link building strategy. Use a diversified approach. Content creation. Develop high quality link worthy content that naturally attract links. Guest blogging. Offer to write valuable content for relevant sites in your niche, securing a backlink in process. Broken link building. Identify broken links on industry sites and suggest your content as a replacement. Skyscraper technique. Improve upon existing popular content in your niche and reach out to sites that link to the original, suggesting they link to your superior version instead. Community engagement, participation in industry forums, comments on relevant blogs, and engage with your niche community to earn natural backlinks. Digital PR. Use newsworthy content or events related to your business to get a links from news site and industry influencers. So there you have it, folks. Competitor backlink analysis isn't merely about spying or eavesdropping. It's about gaining insight into your competition strategies, learning to capitalize on their strength while exploiting their weaknesses. Remember, SEO is less a sprint and more a marathon. Consistency coupled with well-crafted strategy based off informed decision will invaluably get you gold medal in this race to rank number 1 on Google. I hope this video has better equipped you for this crucial aspect of SEO. I'm eager to hear how it helped boost your ranking. As always, feel free to comment below or reach out if you have any other questions. And if you want to rank number 1 without the hassle of building backlinks, then go and watch the video that you can see on the screen right now. Until next time, cheers.